Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to level up a character in Mortal Kombat. To level up characters quickly in Mortal Kombat, first of all, launch open the Mortal Kombat game on your device. From the home page or the main menu screen of Mortal Kombat, go ahead and tap on the collection button at the top left corner. From the collection tab, make sure that you've selected characters. Now, go ahead and select the character you want to update or level up. Now you'll see a level up button on the left hand corner. Just select any character you'd like to level up, and once you're inside their info section, go to the bottom left and tap on level up. Now, click on the level up button once again. In order to level up a character, you must have level up items, often called as cards or boosters. If you have enough, then you can go ahead and select the level by tapping on the plus button for the character and click on level up. And there you have leveled up a character in Mortal Kombat. You can also level up a character by earning XP points. You earn XP points by playing the game. Make sure to win battle mode fights, faction wars matches, and complete daily objective, participate in events and towers, and you will be able to level up a character while playing and gaining XP in the game. So that is how you can easily level up a character in Mortal Kombat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.